Hey lovelies, so I've got here my tuna and a few other bits. I'm just going to show you guys how they actually prep the tuna for tuna and sweet corn, or just tuna by itself for the sandwiches, and for jagged potato toppings. When you do it at home, sometimes it's got that raw fishy smell to it and it's just horrid, I know, but I'm going to teach you guys how they actually do it in the shops so that you get that nice taste without any fishiness or any raw fish taste and yeah, all of that stuff. So I'm going to start off. I've got my tuna here, my tuna chunks. I've got it in oil. You don't have to use it in oil, but preferably use it in oil if that's the problem, because that helps with it as well. Don't worry about if it minces out, it's alright. So I've just basically opened the tin and drained off the oil. Guys, if you're going to do this, please do not leave your tins sat open for a long while. It will give you food poisoning, okay? So just make sure you do it just before you're ready to actually do your mixture. I'm using 3 tins, guys, because I'm obviously doing for more than myself, and I'm going to put up some as well to do some sandwiches for tomorrow. So guys, if you don't need to use this much, feel free not to. If you're just doing a few jacket potatoes, then 1 tin will be alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these tins over there so I can wash them out. Wash my hands. Right, love, so I've got my 3 tins of tuna in here. I'm just gonna add some white wine vinegar to it. Guys, feel free to use whatever brand white wine vinegar you want. I'm using the Tesco one. You don't necessarily have to use the Tesco one, it's up to you. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of the white wine vinegar. If you've got just normal vinegar and you don't have the white wine vinegar, you can't find it at the supermarkets due to all of the nonsense that's going on with the shopping trips, by all means, please feel free to use your regular vinegar. Obviously, use a lot less than you would do usually. So I'm just going to do a little ground black pepper over it. Guys, you don't need to use too much of it. If you want it spicy, then obviously please do use as much as you like. So I'm just going to give this a little mix in. Alright, so once the black pepper and the vinegar has been properly mixed in, just want to add your mayonnaise. I'm not going to give you a measurement for how much mayonnaise, guys. You use as much or as little as you want to yours. I'm just using Hellman's mayonnaise. Obviously, you can use whichever brand you want to use. It's up to you. Want too much because then it ends up getting all watery and horrible. So I'm just going to mix this in. As well, if you want it more spicy but you don't want to add too much black pepper, you can always use a hot pepper sauce or whatever. If you're not a fan of spice, you can use a bit of sweet chilli in there, guys. It's up to you. Freestyle it how you want. So guys, this is the basic recipe of what they use to get it nice, creamy, and not tasting or smelling too raw and fishy, okay? So guys, all they do is use a bit of vinegar to just cut the rawness, and a good quality mayonnaise. If you want to, obviously you can cut up some sweet peppers and do whatever you want. Totally up to you. I'm going to add in some sweet corn to my mixture, and then that's that. So guys, feel free to add whatever you want. If you want to add some onions as well, it's up to you. Peppers, whatever. Okay, have fun with it, freestyle it. I'm just trying to show you how it's all done so that you can get things done in your kitchen without the high price at the qualities that you would get it in the shops, guys. So there you go. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notification bells. See you soon, guys.